A young couple is trapped inside their cabin as 40 hungry wolves circle outside. The blizzard has buried their truck under 10 feet of snow. Day 1. Wolves scratch at the door, their eyes glowing in the darkness.
Couple barricade windows with furniture, hearts pounding.
Outside, wolves howl non-stop, shaking the cabin walls.
Day 2. Food runs low. They ration 1 can of beans.
Wolves dig under the foundation, snow flying everywhere.
The wife spots a huge alpha wolf staring through the frosted window.
Day 3. Power fails. Temperature inside drops to freezing.
Wolves tear apart their sled dogs one by one. Screams echo all night. The husband fires warning shots. Wolves scatter but return stronger.
Day 4. They burn books to stay warm, watching shadows move outside.
Day 5. They write goodbye letters, thinking rescue will never come.
Day 6. Blizzard finally slows. Wolves still waiting patiently. The husband sees wolf pups playing Tyson. Even killers have families.
Day 7. A tiny break in the storm. They hear distant helicopter.
Wolves sense rescue coming and vanish into the white wilderness.
The couple hugs, tears freezing on their faces.
Rescue team finds them half frozen, but alive.
This valley is marked forbidden on every map now. They never forgot the yellow eyes that watched them for 7 days. Some places test how much fear one heart can hold.
They survive the wolves, but the memory never leaves.
Welcome to Hidden America. Secrets America never told you.